Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram app stuck on connecting. If you are using Telegram and you're facing the connecting issue of your Telegram app, the Telegram app has been stuck on connecting. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll in the control center, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that first, and then you have to go back, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. Once updated your software, just simply go back from here, go to app section, and here go to Telegram app, and here you just have to make sure that this toggle of background app refresh has been enabled. So after enabling this toggle, go back, and here go to screen time settings. You have to also try to turn off or disable all the content and privacy restrictions from here. So sometimes it might be that your Telegram app is restricted to do not use your mobile data and also your Wi-Fi. So you can try to disable that to check if it's work or not. So after doing this, you have to go back, open your app store, go for search, and just search for Telegram. And you just have to make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Telegram app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, it will fix your issue, or you can also try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and use volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you have the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have two different ways. The very first way is that you have to check if Telegram app is supported with your country or region, or if it's not, so you can try to connect with a specific VPN. So open your app store here, go for search and simply search for VPN, and you just have to try to get the high rated VPN. Just I'm gonna install this one as I have already installed, so I'm gonna update my VPN here. So once your VPN has been updated, you just have to open your VPN and try to connect with a country or a region or a server where Telegram app is supported. It might be UK, US, or it might be France. So once you have connected, just try to relaunch your Telegram app. So if you're using Telegram, so let's say I'm gonna open the Telegram app. So go back and close it from your recent apps and then try to reopen or relaunch your Telegram app. So it will not have to fix your issue, or you can also try to make a offload in your Telegram app. So go to your settings app and go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for your Telegram app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Telegram app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.